Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clear RAM cache in Windows 10 and 11 in a very simple way. What is RAM cache? If you come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button and then here you will find the option called Task Manager. If you click on Task Manager and if you go for the performance section, you can see over here that into the memory section, you will find the RAM cached over 5.6 GB. So I'm going to clean it manually and auto. So how you can do it manually and how you can set it to clear the RAM cached automatically, these two will be shows up. So keep patience. First we'll go for the manually, and for that we'll go for the Google Chrome browser or any of your favorite browser and going to type RAM map, click enter, and here you can find the RAM map from the Google Chrome. So if you click on that, and you will get the download RAM map option over here. You can be sure you will downloading right RAM map v1.61. So click on download RAM map, and after that it's a very short file, that's why it's downloaded, and we're going to extract it. For that we're going for the folder icon, and here is the RAM map folder. So if you click on the right mouse button and going for extract all, click extract, and here you can see that this kind of interface will be shows up. So for that we're going to click on this RAM map 64. So we're going to click on that, click on it 2 times 2, click yes for the permission, agree, and then what we're going to do, we're going to close this file explorer, close the website and going for the task manager over here. So now what is you need to focus on, you can see the cache is 5.6 GB. So we're going to clear them by clicking on here at the RAM map called empty and going to click on empty standby list. After clicking on, be sure the cache will be deleted. So what is going to happen, click on empty standby list. After a short time you can see your cache has been deleted and now it's running to 313 MB and it will be increased by 15 minutes, 20 minutes after. So how are you going to automatically clear this RAM? So we're going to show you now. Close everything and going to our Google Chrome another time, going to search for empty standby list, going to click on empty standby list and going to download it. Click on that, the past website, and going to download empty standby list. So click on that, going to close the ad, and you can see your download is being analyzed and checked for errors. Please wait, and after a short time you can see it's downloaded. So we're going to leave it as it is, going to close the browser and going to search for task scheduler, and you can see the task scheduler over here. We're going to run it as administrator, and here you can see your time scheduler is opened. And now here we're going to come over, we're going to click on this create task, and now we're going to name it as a RAM cache. Going to name it as RAM cache, and now we're going to click on change user or group, click on that, and now here we're going to click on advanced and going to click on find now for the permission to system. Check the system into the find now, click OK, OK another time, and after that we're going to click on run with the highest privileges and going to configure for Windows 10. If you're using Windows 10 you can simply select that, or if you're using Windows 11 you can simply select Windows 10. If you're using Windows 11 you can simply select the Windows 10 over here, or if you're using any below then you can simply select them. So after clicking on Windows 10, we're going to click on triggers, click new, and going to set the timer to that how I will going to manage it. So click on start, leave it as it is, and going to click on repeat task every 1 hour. If you want to set the duration into 5 to 1 hour, I'm going to select it into the 15 minutes, and for a duration of indefinitely, it means you don't need to run it for day or two. It will be automatically going to repeat the task every day, so you don't need to worry about going to select this indefinitely. and then click on enable, checked. If it's enabled or not, check it. After that, click OK. And now we will going for the actions and going to click on new and going to program script. Select the program that we downloaded over here, empty Stanley. Is going to select it, going to click on OK. Click OK another time. And now that's it. You're all set it to automatically clear your RAM cache. If you want to change it, then you can simply click on task schedule library and going to search RAM cache over here. If you want to delete it, just click on the right mouse button and here you can see there is 3 options called end, disable and delete. So you can simply end it, disable it or delete it from your task library schedule library. So this is how we can simply clear your RAM cache in Windows 10 or 11 manually or automatically. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment which one you next want to see in our channel. Thank you so much again. See you in the another video. Till then, goodbye.